स्टार्ट करूँ। हेलो, गुड इवनिंग, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. My name is Mohammad Turab Sohail, and I have done my BCom honors from the Al Singh College, and I am from Jamia Millia Islamia, and currently I am teaching in Raman Indian College as assistant professor. I am a semi-qualified chartered accountant also, and big brother is a chartered accountant. He is running. He is a practicing chartered accountancy. He is a practicing chartered accountant, and my core area is. You know very well that I am basically from commerce background. I teach accountancy, economics, statistics, business studies, cost accounting, taxation, GST, income tax. Right, these all my areas. International trade I also teach, and I am having around 8 years experience of academic, and I am a good counselor also. I always motivate to my students. I always give proper guidance to my students so that they can perform very well in the exams. And as per my opinion is that proper guidance and counseling is most important for 11th and 12th standard students. For example, if we do not give proper direction to the student, in that case they will deviate from their goals. So I always motivate to my students, because motivation is most important, and guidance is also one of the most important. So it is my personal experience. I am having around 8 years experience of academic. So there are so many students. I usually teach in coaching centers also, but there are so many students. Yavar Shah, he was from DAV, and there is one of my favorite student, Ali Saif. Currently he is in 12th standard. I'm teaching him. I'm giving him personally tuition to him. He's a very nice person, and he's a very nice student. So it is my personal experience that motivation is most important, and proper counseling. If we will not motivate to our student, in that case they will deviate from the goals. So as a teacher, it is my prime responsibility to give, because कहा जाता है कि टीचर को गुरु का कहा जाता है, कि पेरेंट्स के बाद जो दर्जा है जिसका आता है वो टीचर का आता है. सो एज अ टीचर इट इज़ माई प्राइम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मेरी जिम्मेदारी बनती है, मेरा कर्तव्य बनता है कि मैं अपने जूनियर्स को, मेरे चिल्ड्रंस एंड जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन दूँ, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ को पहचानूँ, और उनको एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देकर उनको एक बहुत अच्छे डिफरेंट डायमेंशन हो. दे विल बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, दे विल बिकम अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज, दे विल बिकम द कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट, they will become the doctors, engineers. So it is our prime responsibility to guide our juniors children. So as a faculty, as a mentor, I am a counselor, I am a mentor, as a supervisor. There are so many words we can use in place of teacher. I am a facilitator, teacher, supervisor, mentor, counselor. It is my prime responsibility to guide my children, to guide my students. एंड मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर करें और वो लाइफ में अच्छा परफॉर्म करें. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट कि मोरल वैल्यूज इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. वी हैव टू इनकलकेट मोरल वैल्यूज इन आवर स्टूडेंट. इफ सपोज discipline and moral values is most important. If suppose the student is not having moral values, in that case I don't believe that he is a human being. So we have to inculcate moral values in among my students, in our student also. So we have to inculcate moral values, ethics. So this is my opinions, and that's why I'm sharing. And thank you so much, guys. It is if someone is needy and who is not able to afford fees. So in that case, that student can approach me directly and take my personally counseling and personally home tuition without any fee. I will not charge any fee. I will provide my services free of cost to the needy students, those students who from weaker sections. In that case, I will support them, I will motivate them, I will give proper coaching free of cost from my side. It's my promise. Thank you so much.